30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 8. In breakfast. Baked eggs and bacon. Ingredients for baked eggs and bacon: 6 slices of bacon, 6 eggs, 1 non-stick muffin pan. For each muffin cup, take 1 slice of bacon and wrap around 4 fingers to shape it into a circle. Place in a muffin cup. Crack an egg into the center. Repeat for each serving. Place muffin pan in the oven and bake at 350 for about 40 minutes. Yields 6 servings. Total net carbs, 1 gram per serving. In lunch. Shrimp and nori rolls. Ingredients for shrimp and nori rolls: 1 cup shrimp, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 thinly sliced green onion, 2 sheets nori, 1/4 cucumber diced and seeded, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds. Drain and rinse shrimp. Combine with mayonnaise and green onions. Lay nori on flat surface and spoon on the shrimp and green onion mixture. Sprinkle with cucumber and sesame seeds. Roll tightly and cut into bite-sized pieces. Yields 4 servings. Total net carbs, 0.94 grams per serving. In dinner. Pinwheel shepherd's pie. Ingredients for pinwheel shepherd's pie: 1 pound lean ground beef, 2 tablespoons onion or garlic salt, 8 ounces low-carb mushroom soup or sauce mix, 1/4 cup ketchup, 1 pound package of frozen, mixed vegetables, 1 pound Atkins low-carb bake mix or equivalent. Preheat oven to 375. Mix low-carb bake mix into dough per package instructions and roll flat into a circle roughly the same diameter as your skillet. Cut dough into equal-sized triangles and roll each triangle once from base to tip. Set aside. In a non-stick skillet, stir in ground beef and onion, salt and cook thoroughly until browned. Stir in mushroom soup, sauce, ketchup and mixed vegetables. Bring mixture to a boil, then reduce heat to medium and cover and simmer 8 to 10 minutes or until vegetables are tender. Remove skillet from heat and arrange dough triangles on top of the mixture with the tips pointing to the center. Place skillet in oven and bake at 375 for approximately 20 minutes or until the dough turns golden brown. Yields about 8 servings. Total net carbs, 9 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 8 based on single servings per meal, 10.94 grams. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and do like, share and comment below.